single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something.
Alright guys, we're all done. I did a full balayage with foils, foliage, 𝗕𝗓𝗓 foils. I also brightened out her ends, and then I did an all-over gloss for her. And now she's ready. I did a cut, curls, and she's all set. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. It's a very pretty lived-in look. Her hair is nice and shiny. She's got a little money piece rock in there. And we are all set. Alright guys, I have my mixture. We have got about like a 25. I'm gonna do a 𝗕𝗓𝗓 foil. So 𝗪𝗛𝗡𝗡 makes pink, they make unicorns, they make rainbow colored, they have black ones, they have sparkly ones, they have gold ones, there's all kinds. Go look at my description, I'll have a link to 𝗪𝗛𝗡 for you. Really, all my products that I'm going to use today are all going to be in my description. And if you guys have questions, please comment below. I will be there to answer. For sure. 𝗪𝗡𝗏 is actually a hairstylist here too. So it's always fun doing another hairstylist's hair because you know you're going to get judged. Up to her, so I'm not afraid to go all the way up to the root. I can go right up to the root. With this, you don't have, and then I like to fold in the sides when I have room to fold in the sides. I don't do this for the prettiness, for what's after the foil. So again, a very thin section, you pull it back onto the foil. Wants to be brighter, but we don't baby thin. You like barely touch the foil. Like a lot of people are like, oh, how do I get it from the slip end? The other side, I'm gonna do the front. The next shot, I'm gonna be doing the balayage. Lighter, regular, not clay, with a very low volume. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing here. Like so. Right where it's gold. If you look real close, you know, she gets really golden. And in the next shot, I will have all these foils out and show her.
Alright guys, she is ready to be rinsed out. Love it. We took away a lot of that gold. So then I'm going to do her all over toner. I've completely washed out the hair and have used the purple, and I decide, okay, how am I going to